The next thing on the agenda is to pull the bearing on top of the crown wheel and on the bottom off, so I'm going to use the pullers for that. So a neighbour is going to give me a lend of one of them, so we'll see how these come off. I can't imagine they're going to be too stuck on because, you know, these things aren't, the diff isn't rusty, so it should come off easy enough. So we'll see how we get on. So this is the right hand side. Now they say this side doesn't suffer as much with bearing wear, and the outer race is a lot better, but it does still have some marks on it, and I'd be mad not to change the bearings anyway. Some scoring and discoloration, I suppose, that's just down to general wear. So I'm going to clean this up, scratch off the old gasket, give it a parts wash over there, and we'll take it from there. So here's the outer race of the other side. I tapped it out with this bit of angle iron, and it definitely has a bit of scoring on it. Not too bad. Probably able to reuse it again, but no, I've new bearings ordered, so I want this back axle to be overhauled. So I'm going to throw this into the parts washer now and give it a bit of a clean out, and then I'm going to tackle this side here. There's some lovely slop in there on this side that needs a bit of cleaning out, so that's the next thing. So this is getting a bit of a clean, an inspection, made sure all of the nuts underneath those big long bolts holding the diff together are all tight. So this is one of the bearings that has to come off. So we'll get the pullers on that and give it a pull. So there is the pullers on this bearing, so I'm going to try now and pull it up off it. So finally, after I had to cut off the basket or the case around this, I'm after getting a better grip, so it is pulling up there slowly now, thankfully.